Operatives of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission (EFCC) have arrested businessman Emeka Okonkwo, popularly known as EMoney, on Tuesday morning. EMoney, who is the CEO of Emekago's Nigeria Limited and 5-Star Music, was arrested in Lagos State for alleged abuse of the naira. He is being held at the EFCC facility in Lagos, according to sources who confirmed his arrest on Tuesday. According to the source, EMoney is being investigated for allegedly spraying both naira and US dollars at a party in Lagos in violation of Nigeria's currency laws. In a separate development, the EFCC has also arrested businesswoman Aisha Achimugu at the Nnamdi Azikiwe International Airport in Abuja. Achimugu, who had been declared wanted by the anti-graft agency since March over allegations of criminal conspiracy and money laundering, was taken into custody around 5 a.m. shortly after arriving from London. Her lawyer, Chikaosolu Ojukwu, who confirmed the arrest, described it as a violation of a court order. According to him, Achimugu returned voluntarily to Nigeria in compliance with an undertaking made before the Federal High Court in Abuja. Justice I.E. Ekwo of the Federal High Court in Abuja had on Monday ordered Achimugu to appear before the EFCC on Tuesday, April 29, 2025, and also to appear before the court on Wednesday, April 30, 2025. A lawyer argued that the arrest at the airport breached the spirit of the court's directive. As of the time of filing this report, EFCC spokesperson Dele Oyewale had yet to respond to calls and messages for official comment. We will continue to supply you more trending news updates and exclusive videos. Please share your thoughts in the comment box section below and keep watching NaijaNews TV.